All right, we're wrapping up. Now we're going to talk about guest cards. It's the day of your event, guests are arriving. Here's the part that most event platforms forget about. Guest cards are digital tickets for your guests. You click Edit Event and go to the Guest Cards tab. We leave them on by default, but you have the option to turn them off or on. We automatically deliver them a day before the event. They get sent out via text or email. You can also send them right now to override that scheduled send. Here's what a guest card looks like. It has the name of the event, the address, the name of the guest, the table, and their check-in QR code. If there's a group of guests, we just try and send all of them all at once for that group. They can save, add it to their Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. Now, let's look at the check-in experience for your planners, security, and even yourself. Click the check-in scanner. I'm on my laptop here, but obviously you can open this on your mobile device and check your guest in at the door. So no strange stuff happens as far as attendance goes. Here, you see Rebecca has been checked in. You can filter based on not checked in and checked in. And now, the Guest Notes tab. Whether the event is over or you're still managing everything up until the event, the Guest Notes tab allows you to look at the notes that your guests leave you when they RSVP. Now, this can be a keepsake for you. You can filter by relationship. You can also search. We also allow you to export them as a PDF or CSV. We just want you to keep a memento of the nice, encouraging things or even funny things that were said. That's Guest Management 2.0. One tab, every guest, every RSVP, every meal, every check-in. Try it free at bazaar.events. And if you're a vendor, don't hesitate to reach out.